Advansys GET, it's a safer, simpler, stronger system. So the Advansys Cat GET system is a hammerless CapSure retention system. The retention system is all confined within the tooth and adapter, so there's no other retention parts required to install or remove the GET. The CapSure retention system is basically a steel ball that rotates in a nylon sleeve. It's retained by a 180-degree turn with a 1/2-inch breaker bar or 3/4, depending on size. You'll not only find it on Cat loaders or excavator buckets, but you can find it on dozer or grader rippers, hydraulic mining shovels, and even drag lines. So you'll find the Advansys product on a base edge assembly anywhere from 20mm up to 120mm in thickness. So that covers our excavators from 10 tonne up to 100 tonne, and then our loader sizes from a 924 model up to a 994. The benefit of the loaders up to a 988 size, you'll find it as a bolt-on attachment, so you're not welding and gouging adapters. It's just a simple unbolt, bolt on. So you can find the Advansys on anything from Cat, non-Cat. We've sold Advansys to customers who run dredger wheels, who have created their custom ripper attachments and many other creative designs. One of the great things you're going to get out of the Advansys system is longer life. So you'll get up to 30% longer than our J&K series system. The engineers have redesigned the tip to put more meat where it matters, so it delays the wear, and also it creates a smoother flow when digging through the dirt. Some of the results we're seeing from customers are incredible. We're seeing up to double the life of our Advansys adapters in comparison to our J&K series. All we need to know is the base edge thickness of your bucket. From there, we can work out the correct GET layout to fit to your machine. What makes it so simple is the one piece. It's one part number instead of having a pin and retainer as well as a tip. If you know your existing J&K series, we can cross-reference that to an Advansys part number to get you going all the time. Check out Advansys GET for a safer, simpler, longer lasting product.